How to enable Google Play Store when it is currently disabled. Now, this is a quick and very easy steps to do it. All you have to do is to tap Settings, scroll down, and go to Apps, and tap Manage Apps. You can either scroll down to look for Google Play Store, or you can search it here, Google Play Store. Now, as what you can see, my Google Play Store app is currently disabled. Now let's enable it by tapping on the Google Play Store and hit on Enable. Now that is how you enable your Google Play Store. Now there are some instances wherein your Google Play Store is disabled and you cannot look for that app here by searching it or navigating it down. You cannot look for it when it is currently disabled. To do that, just simply click on the three dots and then click on Other Settings. Now, sometimes there is an option for you to see it here, Show All Apps, and you can also see it here. So that's how you enabled Google Play Store when it's currently disabled.